In this video, I want to show you our article writer and why it is so powerful. Because you probably already know that you can use any LLMs out there today and generate articles, but it comes with a lot of manual tasks afterwards. So first, after generating it, you might want to reiterate it, and then when you're happy, you need to move it into your CMS system. And depending on what CMS system you use, then you need to also add the title, meta description, slug, the author, everything that is connected to the article to make sure that this is an SEO optimized article. And then comes the second catch. You can only do one post at a time. So even if AI is powerful, it will take you quite a long time to make 50 articles. With our tool, we have made this super simple. So first of all, when using this in WordPress, we have already mapped up all of the different functionalities. So everything will be added. Title, meta description. We will optimize them with keywords. We will have the author, the categories. Everything will be fixed for you. And not only for one article, but for multiple. So you can actually use this to, as I mentioned, generate 1, 2, or let's say that we want to do all of them. So we have 10 ideas selected now. We can click create. We can add, if we want to have a specific service we want to add it to, or target audience we want to specify this 10 articles for, or if we have the knowledge base, which also you can do with an LLM, but in this way you can do this for many different articles at once, or you can do it for one at a time. One good thing that we can also add here is with our article writer, we do not only create the content, but we also generate the thumbnail for this, which is already SEO optimized with the alt text so that you don't have to think about it. The categories and the structure of this article will be predefined, or you can custom tailor this for each article. We can also add FAQ sections. We can add lead forms into the content, or if you want to try something really new and special, you can use our interactive articles. But more on that in a later video. So as I mentioned, by clicking generate now, we will have 10 articles being put into generation at once. And this will now take roughly 1 and 2 minutes before they are all done. All right, so here we have all of the different ideas. And as you can see now, in here we have a lot of posts. But what you can do in here is the mass actions. So if you want to learn more about this, you can go to our feature page, mass actions, and have a look at the video I recorded there. But basically you can now review and check all of these articles one by one and then do your final touches. And as mentioned, look at the mass action video if you want to learn more about it. But we also have an in-content editor here that allows you to custom tailor this article perfectly based on what you want. So that's how our article generation works. And I hope this video was helpful and that you got excited to see how much time you can save using this. If you want to learn more, please reach out to us, and thank you for watching.